Cool. I gotta have services outside too, even. Probably lost a bit. Yep. Should I pull over here? Yeah, just for a moment. Just turned on to Jenny Lake Road. There's a view from the Teton. Beautiful. You actually see them.
Look about 15 to 20% up from the base of the slopes, and you might be able to make out a long, curved-looking depression into the mountain. Its best giveaway is that it has a different shadow than the area around it. The sign at the viewpoint will help you to know what to look for. This is called a scarp, and it shows us the Teton's fault line. This is the place where the land breaks, where the Teton Range pushes up, land below sits or even drops. This movement is caused by regular earthquakes. The scarp.
We're down one-way road now. Okay, now you can see back at camp. We've actually been here for quite a while. It was raining when we got here, and I just went straight to the tent and been here ever since. Just laying on the cot, relaxing. And it did stop raining for a while. It kind of sounds like it's lightly sprinkling again. Yeah, I really can't see anything over there. But anyways, we still are hoping for a campfire tonight, but have to just see what the rain does. So just gonna have to hang in there for a while. Yeah, I should say it's about 6:20 p.m. right now, so we do have some time left for a campfire. Hopefully it'll stop raining. But even if it's just a light sprinkle, maybe we still will. But we'll see. Playing it by ear. Okay, it's about 7:25, so we're getting close to 7:30. Still a very light sprinkle. So, trying to decide. Maybe I should try to make a give it a try now. I don't know. I'll ask my brother what he thinks and gotta get ready. Gonna have a campfire and have pork chops on the cast iron pan. Tonight's our last night we're able to do that because we're leaving in the morning. I'm heading up to Hardin, Montana, and my brother's actually going to be going to one of the national forest camping right outside the park here by Grand Teton. The Teton Bridger National Forest it is. I think that's what it was called. And he's going to be camping there, so we're separating tomorrow. Okay, so but I'm going to ask him and see what he says. Okay, we are going to give it a try. So, got to get all the stuff out now. There's cast iron pan. And I'm already finished eating. I ate mine, and it was really good. There's the campfire now. I didn't film much right now because I just want to get everything done first. Because right now doesn't seem to be sprinkling at all right now. But who knows how long it'll last. But I do plan on having roasting marshmallows and having s'mores later on when it gets down to the coals. But we had our supper and it's really good. Okay. Fire's died down enough to roast marshmallows. Having the s'mores now. It's starting to get dark now, so figured I better do one last video clip here. Been quite a day, a good day. Got to see lots of stuff. And tomorrow morning I'm leaving Grand Teton National Park. And my brother's going to be going to the National Forest camping area right outside the park. And I'm heading up to Hardin, Montana, and camping 2 nights there. And I'm going to go to the Little Bighorn Battlefield while I'm there. So that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.